Whether you're starting your post-secondary education journey for the first time or starting again towards a new career, we want to help you achieve your goals. Start here to get there.
We need to keep staff, students, and our community safe, but we also have a responsibility to our students to equip them with the skills, knowledge, and hands-on experiences they need for their academic and career success.
Like you, we can't predict the future, but following safe guidelines, we're planning for a mix of hands-on and online learning.
These last few months have been unique for sure, but our students and staff have adapted very well. If we have to rely on online learning in the fall, we know that you can be successful.
I think it's just a different platform, right? So I think we have to all embrace change if we can and do the best we can with what we've got. And I think that's a good outlook to have, not only in the classroom, but in life, because sometimes we don't have a choice.
We help you realize your career goals through online employment workshops and industry events tailored specifically to your program.
The delivery is very similar because everything that I teach the students, I show by example.
And throughout your entire journey, Student Services is here to help you. Advising, counseling, learning supports, whatever you need to be successful.
MITT has a large number of student bursaries available every year, and we're here to help you through the Manitoba Student Aid application process so that you can afford your education.
We're here to help you prepare for your next career.
We have our work skill series, we have partnerships with industry. We have people coming in from industry to speak to students to talk about what it takes to succeed in their business.
We understand that you might be concerned about the current job climate. Career Development Services is here to help you every step of the way.
Let our friendly recruitment team help you explore over 25 high-demand careers that will give you the skills you need to succeed.
Whether you're looking for information on a program, scholarships and bursaries, or how to apply, we're here to help you. Set up a one-on-one phone consultation or even a Zoom appointment, and we'll walk you through every step of the way.